Scouts, take my command. Scouts, sign. The Scout Oath and Law. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, the Republic of the Philippines, and to obey the Scout Law. To help other people at all times. To keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. A Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly,